Okay, so we're going to practice and we're going to learn a technique called stomach level punch. I'd like you to watch first and then we're going to have a go together. So stomach level punch starts from the hip position. It starts from here. Okay, if you place your fists on the hip and then bring it a little bit higher, okay, so you feel where the hip bone is and bring it a bit higher, that's where the fist sits. And it's always palm side up. So when the hand comes to the hip like this, when you're doing your stomach level punch, it's palm side up. When you actually do the punch, the fist comes out, comes forward like this, and then it turns. And it turns when the elbow goes past the side of your body. So let's have a go. Okay, everyone we're just gonna start with the right hand, make a fist. Have a go with me, make a fist, that's it. And the thumb is on the outside like this. The thumb actually sits in front of the index and middle finger knuckle, index and middle finger to support them and make the fist stronger. So now we're going to place the hand on the hip. Everyone follow me, like this. Hand is on your hip, your right hand is on your hip. Okay, Marius, you need to make sure that it's turned palm side up. So it's got to be that, that's it, like that, okay? That's it. So if you open, the palm is going up towards the ceiling. Okay, now follow me. Extend the hand forward, keep the elbow close to your body. Then extend a little bit further, and then as you do that, you turn your fists. Okay, and then when you bring it back, you turn it and bring it back to the hip. Good. Okay, going forward halfway. That's it. A little bit like this. Then forward a little bit more and turn and then back. Okay, halfway, a bit more and turn and then back. This is what it looks like from the side. Let's keep going. Halfway, like this. So the fist is still like this. And then during the last third of the movement, we turn and then bring it back. Okay, halfway, one more time, turn and bring it back. Okay, can you show me, Julian? Can you show me that you're doing it with us? Just your right hand. Yes, we'll do both hands in a second, but just the right hand. Okay, ready? Slowly, the whole punch. 1, hand comes out, turn, and then bring it back. 2, and then back. That's it. 3, and then bring it back. 4, 5, from the side, it's like this, and then back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. A little bit quicker. 1, punch, and then back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we're going to go as fast as we can. We're going to do a punch and then bring it back. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and on the last one, we're going to say kiai. Ready? 10. Kiai! And shake the hand out. Okay, well done. Let's have a go with the left hand. So first of all, you extend the hand out like this. Make the fist, like we practiced before. Bring your thumb across. Yeah. And now bring the hand to your hip. Palm side up. Like so. That's it. Okay, let's have a go. The hand comes out halfway. And just hold it there. So this is similar to doing a short punch, which is another technique in karate. Okay, so just up to here where the elbow is close to the side. Let's try that. Back to here and then halfway. Follow me. Do your best. Julian, follow me. That's it. Here and out. Then the hand extends and turns. And then you reset back to the hip. Follow me. Halfway 1, all the way 2, and then back to the hip 3. Halfway 1. Okay, that's it like this, Marius. Your left hand now. So we're practicing with the left hand. Extend out 2, and then back to the hip 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Good. And now the whole punch. So when I count 1, you're going to punch. When I count 2, you're going to bring it back. Ready? Punch 1, like this. And then back 2. Punch 1, and back 2. Punch 1, try your best, and back 2. Punch 1, and back 2. Okay? And what I'd like you to do now is for the next few seconds, just keep going back and forth, like this. And I'm going to have a closer look as you do that. Okay? Ready, get set, go. Punch, and then back. Remember the turn. The turn of the fist is when the elbow gets close to the hip. Then you start to turn. That's it. Do your best. Okay. That's good. Mason, try to keep the elbow close to your body. At the moment it comes out a bit too far, keep it close to the body like this. Both on the way out and on the way back. Can you see that? It needs to slide really close. Keep going for another few seconds. Let's do both hands at the same time. So when you do both hands, one hand comes out, the other hand comes back, like this. So one hand extends and the other hand comes back to the hip. It's like you're pushing with one hand and pulling with the other. Let's have a go. Okay, bring your left hand out, stomach level punch. So bring it to the hip and then out. Let's try that with Kame. When you hear me say Kame, you're going to bring your left hand to the hip and then out. Ready? Left hand out, stomach level punch. Kame! Hai! Okay, ready? Punching slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 5. One hand does the punch, the other hand comes back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so try to move both hands together. Marius, yeah, and Julian, both hands move together like this. Let's go again, medium pace. 1, 2, okay, and bring the hand all the way back, just like we practiced. Can you see that? All the way back to the hip like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now we're going to go as fast as we can. So really put as much power as you can. Okay, on number 10, say Kiai. Are you ready? As fast as you can, loads and loads of power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Kia, 10, Kiai! Okay, and now we're going to go 2 punches. Like this, we're going to do 2 punches. With each count, you're going to go right hand and left hand as fast as you can. Ready? 1, punch, punch. 2, 3, keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Kia, 10, Kiai! Okay, now we're going to do 3 punches. This is where you gotta really count to make sure that you do it properly, make sure that you don't miss a punch. So with each count, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 3 punches. And you still need to do it strong and fast. Ready? So everyone left hand out, 3 punches. 1, punch, punch, punch. 2, punch, punch, punch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one, Kia, 10. Kiai! Okay, shake your hands out. Well done. Back to parallel stance.